What's up, Boss Dons? It's Curtis Dondino, and today we here for another unboxing. I know. I said I would offer you variety, but yeah, I keep doing more and more unboxings, but it's not my fault that I feel like this be valuable information. If this is your first time watching any video of mine, the first time being on my channel, I do unboxings, fashion event reviews, fashion show reviews. We just talk about clothes. We talk about other things too, but clothes is usually the common ground, you know. We kind of stay in that area. I be cooking sometimes too, so you gotta check those videos out. But today we're unboxing a staple on your Instagram feed, the Bottega Puddle Boots. Yes. I just want to start this video off by saying that Bottega has some of the best bags, packaging, all of that good stuff. We have reviewed some Bottega stuff in the past on this channel, so I'll be sure to put a card somewhere up here at some point during the video, and you guys can check that out. We're only 1 minute in, and we're already about to get to the shoes. I'm doing such a good job today. So, I went with the classic Bottega Green for my first pair of puddle boots. So they came in this beautiful Bottega Green box as well. And this box is so heavy, and it's not necessarily the boots that are heavy, but their packaging is just that supreme. They say it's like they make a box that you can definitely keep. You know what I'm saying? So if you keep your boxes, this is one that you will really enjoy because it's so quality. Like the box alone justifies any price, and like the top alone is heavy, you know, so that's a really good thing. Then we get into the dust bags. They give you 2 dust bags, and these are pretty normal sized. I got some boots one time, and the dust bag is probably like the size of this large bag behind me. Then we have like some, I'm not sure if this is care instructions, but you know all of the big brands usually have like some type of envelope where they give you some stuff about their brand. I'm kind of curious to know what it is. I've read it before, like from different brands, but looking for English. Oh, read and preserve. Basically letting you know that a little bit about them and their Italian craftsmanship. So then we got some high gloss tissue paper, so really quality, this type of stuff that lasts. Let me open it this way. We have Cash in the background licking his paws. He tends to interrupt some of my videos. If you watch a lot of my recent videos, you'll see that he has a knack for interrupting. And I just ignore him because some people you really truly have to ignore. That's just the best way to handle it. So what I find really odd about these is like the Easter basket packaging, but I think it's kind of cool at the same time. It's white. It doesn't really seem to be fraying everywhere, so that's dope. And then we have the boots. As you can see, they're that classic Bottega Green. Like this color is such like a staple. So today with these Bottegas, we want to talk about size. We want to talk about pricing. We want to talk about availability and all of that great stuff. So I'm going to start with the first boot, and they're pretty much like a rubber rain boot. They kind of have like that feeling that like they can get dusty, if you know what I mean. But like, you know, it's like you still can wipe off, but like if you was to like wipe a paper towel on them, they would like pretty much pick up a lot of the paper towel fibers. Do you know what I mean when I say that? But the green is just, do you see the vibrance? Like this is such a, and I think that's why everybody likes the puddle boots, because they're very vibrant. The shape is an odd shape, but they look pretty comfortable, so hopefully they are. I think mine are they're a 41. They're 41, and I'll let you guys know in a second if these are true to size, should you go up a size or not. These are $650 unless they've gone up. What I do like about these especially is the price point. Whenever you get a shoe nowadays from pretty much top brand, especially one of the most trendy brands at the moment, and it's under like $800, you kind of got something that you can buy into pretty easily, and you know, I feel like these aren't a lot of people's style, like personal style, and they get shitted on a lot. But I've seen a lot of people wear these that like they didn't have to do anything different. They didn't have to do anything difficult or hard. It was just simple. My only recommendation would be like off bat, maybe find a jean that kind of flares out at the bottom, or like a pant that flares out at the bottom, something that will cover, you know, this, because it doesn't really fit your ankle. And I plan on wearing these with shorts, and I should be able to post a picture by the time I'm editing. Okay, so I'll post a picture like here, and as you can see, the boots don't really fit my ankle. I know I'm gonna have to master the art of picture taking to make it not look super awkward. But overall, they have like this like fabric in the inside. Reminds me of a rain boot, like a traditional rain boot. And so we have a pretty thick sole, so that's cool. You see, that's a pretty thick sole. That's good. Let's see what's underneath of there. Underneath there is pretty much like this. Let me see. Underneath is like some other kind of sole. Let me see. Might be distracted. Oh, cool. So this is like a like a little clog. Yeah, it's like a little clog. Look, it's like a little clog. That's funny. And so now the boot is pretty much like completely bendable. This is how my thumbnail should look. Like, oh god, I'm gonna look so crazy. But all right, let's construct the boots back together. It's funny, I would have never guessed that they were just like completely constructible. Like, but if they are in true, so these are in essence really puddle boots. Like, these are really rain boots, because you really can like make sure you like dry them out. And so now I'm going to switch the camera down so we can see just how these bad boys fit. Okay, but that's not switching the camera down. Y'all seen Cash? So now I'm about to put these bad boys on. Put my jeans up. Put my jeans up. Alright. Got these las botas fritas. Do you see what I mean when I say the ankle? They went on pretty easily. So they went on pretty easily, as you can see. But do you see what I mean by the ankle? Like, it's such a wide ankle, like you could just swim in it. So I think that's why I like pants. Like, if you look at these pants, they pretty have like a stack pant. This angle is kind of hiding that, but oh yeah, see, these go over these so tough. Like, how they go over them, perfect, you know? They kind of look like clogs from the side, like little gnome shoes, but I'm sure that's like the vibe that they were going for. Overall, these are very spacious. If you look, like, I'm gonna try to function my toe out. Let me zoom in some. Okay, so you can kind of see like right here. This is where my big toe is. Ew. But so like my toe is like right here. So that's just a great indicator that these are pretty much true to size. With a boot like this, you never want it to be too small, because you want to be able to wear thick socks with it in the winter and stuff like that, especially if you're using it for like something beyond fashion purposes. But I love the way these jeans cover. And I just like the fraying at the bottom, the way that goes around. That's just perfect. They look pretty cool on camera. Like, not too out there. But what I really can say I enjoy about them more than anything is that they are pretty roomy, but not like a uncomfortable roomy. What I will say is they get pretty tight around here. If you look, like that's literally grasping my foot right there. What I would recommend is you do get your true size though. They seem to be pretty true to size. So you could get whatever your traditional size is. As I stated, I wear a size 8, like a US 8, and I got a 41. So that's pretty good. So that would probably be like a women's 40 in Bottega. So from a sizing perspective, you definitely can get your own size. You definitely can get your true size. Priced at $650, so they're in a great price range if you don't want to break the bank for a dope pair of shoes that I feel like you can get a lot of wears out of. Styling suggestions, I would definitely suggest getting a pair of pants that cover the ankle, that flare out. You know, you can get the Instagram go-tos, the gallery department jeans, or the or another idea or another brand you could probably cop is Calabasas. I do have some flower jeans on my website as well. Shameless plug. But that's pretty much it. I really like the shoe. They have so many colors, so you can really experiment and go crazy. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, if you found it kind of informative, kind of fun, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. You on YouTube, you know what you're here for. You got the information from me. Do me that one favor. Like, it's not gonna take all day. In the meantime, I'm gonna stop begging. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna let y'all get out of here. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.